zanendlebe ngize nendaba allegedly yo bafethu hayi bafethu uSibiya bafethu hayi konzimalanga emgulukudu uyabona uWitness C hayi Witness C ngathi ucindezela kakhulu Witness C lapha kuMadlanga Commission awucindezela kakhulu bafethu yazi I'm one of the people laba bekade bekhala ngeMadlanga Commission because I know ukuthi ama commissions kugcina nje ngokukhulunywa kanje and then bese kungabi na action emva kwalokho because vele ama recommendations commission they are not binding. However, to get to this kind of information yo bafethu I'm telling you iyasibonisa ngempela ukuthi eSouth Africa bafethu kwenzakalani bafethu ekubi man. uSibiya bafethu has been receiving $1 million every month from Matlala and it seems as if they share with the guy lo head wama Hawks wase KZN because they made sure ukuthi Matlala get their tender semaphoyisini ka 360 million, the one that was cancelled. So Matlala now is willing to speak manje naye. There is a voice recording that he is with the police where Matlala says these things unokuthi makushada umfana kaSibiya uMatlala wakhipha 300,000 uxhasa uSibiya for that wedding wayemenyiwe na uMatlala and out of all this ukuhlangana kukaSibiya noMatlala ngathi kwakusefarm yalensizwe eyashona lokuthiwa umswazi bahlangana khona and then wakhuluma kuSibiya ukuthi he will take care of Matlala as long as he is taken care of naye uSibiya. So uSibiya bafethu isigebengu bafethu lo baba yo isigebengu lo baba lo bafethu isigebengu hayi bafethu hayi ngeke. So and he's not alone lapho kubalwa yena kubalwa lo nkosi engithi imali uyena transport imali kubalwa ubani uSonono lo Richard Sonono ubani lo wama Hawks KZN kubalwa uMacingwane. So uyachaza ke futhi lapho kuyachazwa ke futhi lapho ukuthi ngoMay ezozebosho lombhemi wayekade ebuya kwaMama uRiyabheha. Siyamazi kuRiyabheha uyena wayekade ucommissioner wamaphoyisa okwathi mangabe kuphuma ubheka icele kwabekwa uMkhwanazi njengebamba kwase sekubekwa yena kuRiyabheha ngo2012 nokwathi ke makuhamba isikhathi ke kwenzeka le nto aseAmericana kuyena wayephethe amaphoyisa ucommissioner wamaphoyisa. So kubukeka sengathi uMatlala njengoba ebeseluza le contract besebona ukuthi ngathi akusahambi kahle and ne protection akasenayo ingakho aqala ukucele no waya kuRiyabheha engathi akushuthi akasizakalanga ngiyacabanga ngazi ngiyacabanga ukuthi wayefuna iprotection then ngoba eseza nakuceleke bafethu gebengu obuhleliwe eMzansi neAfrika hayi ziyakhala. Yabona uWitness C bafethu hayi umosha kakhulu uSibiya nje ischayi for him Nkosi yami ischayi naye omunye nje ngoba bengisho nje uMacingwane ukuthi ngabe uyakhuluma noSibiya nje ngabe uvela akhulume abakhiphe bonke ngoba mase kunje akusekho ukujikane khona mfethu akusekho ukujikane khona. Yebo kuthiwa khona imali ibihamba ngezikhwama ibinga transferwa but khona into ezombambisa ubufakazi kuzomela sibuyele emakhemereni lapha kuleya complex akahlala kuyo ufakazi bizaba khona usenkingeni uSibiya.